Ishan are going to be talking about this guy, Cristiano Ronaldo, by Sanjeev
and Ishan.
Ishan, do you know who this is?
This is Ronaldo.
Ronaldo is one of the best soccer players in the world.
He was born in Madeira, Portugal,
which is right over here.
Ronaldo started playing soccer at the age of 8 years old.
At the age of 15, he suffered with heart cancer. And the doctor said that he had two options. The first option is that he would have heart surgery, which has a low chance of succeeding. Or he would never ever play soccer again.
He chose the heart surgery, and it was successful.
Cristiano Ronaldo is the winner of the Ballon d'Or Footballer of the Year award 5 times in 2008, 2013, 2014, 16, and 17.
And he's the winner of 4 European golden shoes.
Right trophy right there is the Ballon d'Or.
He did one of the greatest goals in UEFA Champions League history.
The move that he did was called a bicycle kick.
The way to do it is to do a backflip and then kick the ball.
Celebrations. The most famous celebration he does is the Ronaldo is one of the GOATs with
Lionel Messi.
These are the clubs Ronaldo played for.
Sporting Portugal,
Manchester United,
Real Madrid,
Manchester United again,
and finally, right now, Al Nassr and the Portuguese national team.
Some of Ronaldo's favorite things. Ishan, do you know what Ronaldo's favorite food is?
Oh, yes, I do. It's bacula abras.
Do you know what his favorite color is?
It's white.
So let me ask you one last thing. Do you know what his favorite animal is?
It's the Labrador.
That's cool. Thank you for watching.